Hey there, foodies and seafood lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of National Prawn Day and the star of the show, the Aussie Tiger Prawn Bon Mi. Now, this isn't just any old sandwich, it's a delicious fusion of Vietnamese street food and Australian culinary culture. But what makes it so special? Well, let's find out. First off, let's talk about the Aussies' love affair with prawns. According to sales data from Tassal, Aussies bought over 6 million kilograms of Aussie Tiger prawns last year alone. That's a lot of prawns, and it's no wonder. These prawns are not just a staple at BBQs but are now making their way into everyday dishes, reflecting modern Australian tastes and global culinary influences. One such influence is the Bon Mi. Traditionally a Vietnamese street food, the Bon Mi has become an Australian lunch favourite. It's all about embracing different cultures and bringing them together in a tasty, portable package. And what better way to do that than with the versatile Aussie Tiger prawns? Now, let's talk about the key ingredients that make this dish so special. First up, the Vietnamese baguette. It's not just about the bread, it's about the texture. If you can't find fresh, crunchy rolls, don't worry. Guy Turland, the celebrity chef and Tassal ambassador, suggests a simple hack. Dip a regular roll in water and pop it in the oven for a few minutes to get that perfect flaky texture. Next up, butter and pâté. Yes, you heard that right. It's not a traditional Bon Mi without a generous spread of these goodies. But it's not just about the taste, it's about the texture and the way it complements the prawns. And then there are the star players, the Tassal Aussie Tiger Prawns. These prawns are not just loaded with flavor and nutrition but are also incredibly versatile. Guy Turland loves how they pair naturally with strong flavors like chili, pickled vegetables, and fresh herbs. He also highlights their natural sweetness and how they work perfectly with the big, punchy flavors people expect. Now, let's talk about the other essential ingredients. Pickled veggies, anyone? A Bon Mi isn't complete without some pickled daikon and carrot. It's a simple yet satisfying addition that takes the dish to the next level. And don't forget the sauce. Guy Turland's personal favorite is mayonnaise or sriracha mayo, which rounds out the flavors and packs a punch. But it's not just about the taste, it's also about the health benefits. According to dietitian and Tassal ambassador Susie Burrell, Aussie Tiger prawns are naturally low in fat, high in protein, and a great source of key nutrients like vitamin B12 and selenium. They're an easy, feel-good choice for everyday meals and National Prawn Day celebrations alike. So, there you have it, folks. The Aussie Tiger Prawn Bon Mi is not just a delicious fusion of cultures but also a nutritious and satisfying meal. It's a perfect example of how embracing different cuisines can bring people together and create something truly special. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try and celebrate National Prawn Day in style. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more foodie adventures. Peace out.